Alright, this is Haney and Adrian Dalagan's submission for the Electric Circuits Project 2 at George Mason for ECE 285. We built a little audio amplifier. It takes two different types of input and two different types of output. It has an on-off switch. So let me go ahead and show you how it works. You can go ahead and turn it on. You see our LED lights up when the circuit is connected to the battery. And right now I have the toggle switch with the large mono jack connected, which is hooked up to a guitar. So our circuit will work as a guitar amplifier. Give me a second to get this set up and I will show you how it works. Alright, so I moved the guitar a little bit farther away, so hopefully we will only pick up the sound that is coming from our speaker. When I touch the guitar, we get a little bit of feedback from our speaker. So let me show you this. Hopefully you heard that well. Now let me get it set up and I'll show you how it works with the auxiliary jack. Alright, so I have the circuit hooked up to the auxiliary jack. Let me just switch over here and turn the volume up. There we go. Now you should be able to hear coming from our little speaker. And that is just music coming directly from my phone. I'll switch over to the headphones and hopefully you'll be able to hear that. Alright. Actually, the headphones sound better than the speaker does. That is embarrassing. Give me 1 second and I'll show you the circuit. Alright, so here we have the bottom off of our little box. I can go ahead and do this little unveiling. You can see the bottom of our circuit here, connected to a little battery. I'll pull this out and show you what the insides look like. Alright, so it's a little bit crazy because I made the wires long enough to be able to pull everything out and still have it be attached. You can see our two different inputs here, the little toggle switch, our little on-off switch, and our two different outputs. The speaker is over here and the mono auxiliary jack is over here. So this is our circuit. We've got a little LM386 audio amplifier, and the input, let's see, the input is connected to this 5 microfarad capacitor, the yellow one right there. That goes through the circuit to this large 570 microfarad capacitor that's connected to the battery and the headphones. Over here for our gain, we have a small 10 microfarad capacitor with a potentiometer. The potentiometer we have set at about 5K ohms, and we found that level of gain is pretty much what our speaker can take. It's a little cheapo speaker. This 100 microfarad capacitor is just hooked up from the, it's in parallel with the battery and the LED switch to kind of give a more, consistent input to our circuit. The 570 microfarad capacitor works for our outputs to give them the energy they need as they need it, because they obviously do not need a constant energy. So the little 570 microfarad capacitor works as a battery specifically for the outputs. And I think that's our project. It works surprisingly well. We just drilled some holes to connect all these little bits to this box picked up from Radio Shack, a little electronics box, and yeah, it's working, and that's fantastic. All right, thanks for watching.